Hi y'all, Miss Kennedy here from Algebra Student. It's freezing here. I'm in Georgia and you know, it never gets cold here, so when it like drops below 50, we're like, oh, it's freezing. I just took my dogs outside because they had to stay inside because it was too cold outside for them. And so now I've got to chill, and yeah, that's what the morning does, right? So we're gonna look at math in terms of people who feel like I've never been good at math, I've always been bad at math, and a fresh start. And so this cold morning helps me to think through that. If you feel like you've never been good at math, look for a place where you can have a fresh start. They're all around you. And a fresh start in math could be starting high school. There's a fresh start. You're at a brand new school, new teachers, new everything. And so it's a chance to just start fresh, you know? Or if you're starting a new class, you're just getting into Algebra 1 or just getting into Geometry, Algebra 2, whatever, and you're just like, okay, it's a fresh start. Everything starts fresh, brand new, all of that. That's a good fresh start. Maybe it is just a new grading period. Like, okay, well, we finished the first 9 weeks. Now everything starts over as far as grades go, and I have a fresh start. Maybe you just took a test and now you're starting a new unit. That's a fresh start in math. They're all around you. There are all these opportunities to just be like, okay, starting fresh. Let me get my mindset going. Let me get my brain powered up. Let me get some new goals for myself. Let me say, okay, I can do this. Sometimes you have to break it down even smaller. Maybe it's just Monday. Monday's my fresh start. Or don't discount every morning. Don't discount a new morning. Not to get all, you know, super whatever with you, but even God said thousands of years ago, it's in the Old Testament book of Lamentations, that he said, I start fresh with you every morning. My mercies are new every day. And that's awesome. That even God, the God of the universe, who, you know, has a lot of things to think about, knows that math's hard for a lot of people and realizes that you need a fresh start sometimes. And so, you know, he cares about the little details of our lives. He cares about the big details of our lives. And I believe that, you know, struggling with math or being successful with math is one of those pieces of your life that he cares about. And so if even he starts every day fresh with you, just like, okay, we're starting fresh. My mercies are new today. You know, mercy is when we don't get what we deserve, and grace is when we get something we don't deserve. And so he's full of both of those. And so if even God can do that for our lives, then we definitely should be able to, you know, give ourselves that mercy and be able to start a new day and start it fresh and clean and just be like, okay, today's gonna be better than yesterday. And sometimes us, you know, we gotta start small. Like, we just gotta be like, just better than yesterday, nothing more. And some days we can set our goals higher than that. So if you feel like you've never been good at math, then look for a place where you can start fresh, where you can just be like, okay, clean slate, let me start fresh right here and go from here.